Why when you double 440 hertz, you get an octave? So you hear the same note at a much higher frequency, but it's the same note. So it's the A, but a higher frequency. Now we call it pitch. It's frequency. From a physics perspective, it's called frequency. How we interpret sound, we call it pitch. Now why are we hearing octaves? Octave is quite a phenomenon. It turns out that based on our biological evolution, we and our Homo sapiens, our survival mechanism.
Well, different laws. So I became infatuated with laws. What makes these things pop up? And it looks three-dimensional. Right, and this is, I got into art to kind of understand the phenomena. And that's where I began to learn like certain areas of geometry, like there's something called vanishing point.
Homonym, homophone, homograph, heteronym, heterograph, polysemy, monosemy, capitonym, paronym, hyphonym, meronym, holonym, and hyphonym. Then we have pragmatics, the way in which language is used. Then you have like psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics. We probably don't have...